Hi guys, welcome to Craft It Up. Well, on my previous video, I showed you how to make corker ribbons just like these. So today, what I want to do is I want to show you how we can use them to make a cheerful ponytail holder like this one right here. It's really very easy, and what you'll need to have are 9 corker ribbons, a bow, whichever one you want to use. I'm going to use this one right here. A ponytail holder, a piece of coordinating ribbon, needle and thread, scissors, a hot glue gun, and a lighter. My corker ribbons are about 9 inches long. I consider that to be a good length, but you can cut them to any length you prefer. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab our lighter and we are going to heat seal the ends of our ribbons because we don't want them to fray. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab each corker ribbon and we are going to put it around our index finger, just in the middle, like this. Okay, if you cut out different color ribbons, you want to alternate them and stack them up. Start stacking them up by alternating them. Okay, after I finish stacking my ribbons, I'm going to grab my ponytail holder and put it where my finger was. Like that. With my other finger, I'm going to hold down the other side of the ribbons. Okay? And then I'm going to let go very carefully. And you should have something like this. Now you're going to grab your needle and your thread and you are going to push your needle right through the center of the ribbon underneath the ponytail holder. We don't want to grab the ponytail holder. Okay? And just go make a couple of stitches just so that the corkers won't be pulled. That's what we want to make sure we secure them. So make a couple of stitches there and then tie a knot. And cut off. Okay, we want to make sure we do this because, or else when somebody pulls on one of the ends of the ribbons, they'll just fall out. Okay, so that's really important. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our piece of ribbon right here and we are going to glue it to the back of our bow. Put a dot of glue on the back of your bow and glue the ribbon. All right. And now what we're going to do is we are going to wrap this piece of ribbon around our corkers, right around here, right? So we are going to put a dab of glue right here and put glue our bow. Just press on a little bit so it glues on well. And now we are going to wrap our ribbon around and glue it there. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off because this is a little too long. Put some glue. put some more glue on top so I can wrap the other end around. And cut off the excess. And just heat seal that end. And what we have is a fun and cheerful Corker ribbon ponytail holder. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And keep watching for more videos from Craft It Up. Thank you. Bye-bye.